Hi everyone, Jennifer Butcher with the Butcher team. On our last video blog, we talked about credit tips and what makes up a credit score, what are the 5 main pieces. So we covered the top 3, which I'll recap really quickly. The first was the payment history, makes up 35% of your credit score, so pay your bills on time. Number 2 was credit utilization, makes up 30% of your credit score. So try to keep that balance to limit ratio on your credit cards at or under 30%. Number 3, the length of history makes up 15% of your credit score. So don't necessarily go close all of your old cards that you've had a while. You want to make sure that you have a couple open that you've had for a good amount of time that you've been paying on. So that history, that payment history is there to build that credit score up. So here are your final top 2 tips on how to maximize your credit score and what makes it up. What makes up that credit score? Number 4 is new credit, makes up 10% of your credit score. So if you're trying to build your credit, you have to be careful. You don't want to go apply to several credit companies, have them all pull your credit, and go open a bunch of new credit at once. It's kind of like the secret is they want you to have access to credit, but not accessing too much of it. So you don't want to go open a bunch of new credit all at the same time. Really pick and choose, do your research, find out what is going to benefit you the best for your lifestyle. Do you like to build points for airline miles? Do you like to have cash back rewards? Do you like the 10% or 5% off at Target that you get? So kind of pick and choose what's going to benefit you the most, what you would use those points for, the rewards of those credit cards. Choose those couple credit cards and then apply for those. And the final piece of what makes up a credit score is a mix of credit, makes up that final 10%. So that's just having a combination of revolving credit, which again is credit cards, and installment loans. And installment loans are going to be your student loans, a car loan, a mortgage, anything that has a regular fixed payment on it. You're going to maximize your score by having a mix of both the revolving credit and the installment credit. So Jennifer Butcher with the Butcher team. If you can't tell, I love credit. I've dealt with it for a long time, and it absolutely makes me happy to be able to help all of my customers boost their credit scores. Whether you already have a 720 score and I can help you get to a 760, or you need to get a higher credit score just to be able to qualify for that home. It's definitely a passion of mine to help you. So give me a call and have a great day.